I don't think the government is attacking free speech. So John, a hard dream, na say yam pe kwan e be fa so a ye besi ano kwan na ye betenetene na ya dream say oh there be somebody is attacking it and asa na what benefit and asa na na tie wo ye bi na mesoma ba ntino. No, there should always be a start of something. Say yan start here ye ntimi nkowie and ade no so jai ne sa so a say the way I been these days, social media is everything. Who no wadam for cry say be tie cry ye din komo yi. Take out to me fan phone no o gina so sa. Wa dwen say bia wasema wo ka na o tie o. But nya ha no o baby cry no wadru UK now because of the social media. Enti it has become that easy for people to say whatever that they want to say. But you must be put on check. And then when you say custodian sentence emwa na ye o kasa na wan ko kania, why should you misinform? Discipline should be discipline. Whether or not because ye jaw say ye mfa me ma praye na fa be pra street mu anom because of say wakakasa. I mean, it is nothing. People will just do it. Ain't you know whether say obi a benefit from enjoying from this kind of bad information and insulting people on the media no nene wa ba there should be a start. If the NPP believes
so fan on so dey no
assembly say enti eno na ya na last week na make us assembly say police ni achew say work we cocaine and I say why over speeding no gina kwa ho no obi so the 120 be twam a untimi ganje police ni say onja wo de na wachew no onkoche 120 ni because ono ko speed na wo ankwa nka echew. See some of these arguments ebasa na ya adwen say abeka yinti no yenjai ma ade ne nsei era moayen because the fact say obi aye bone no na ye di na asem na ye ka na ho asem no does not mean say obi susu kwa yenjai wo de no ne enko ka nipa ne de no. One after the other, you also have the opportunity say oba aban mu you saw those things. And I said the echoes is here and rana amori achichi woman. It is not the president no and I creating mrebi say what the babechi obi. It has been a law that passed by parliament and anya sanete. So why can't we use the laws? You can't say be say semra wo kromu ha nyina say samra nyina na e de be adwuma ye dane na ne ye dane ne saying let the laws work. The law is the law. The law is the law. So it's not a political issue say political prisoners. What are political prisoners? Nelson Mandela money e come political prisoners. Na say din se munu ebubo nnua e the president din e kesi amanfo na ebe ni say ana wo now ti say e keka nsema me I will never ever Sir Kevin Taylor is the one that I mean can akwakusi ho me simo me sansem ne mintie bi ana kese anytime. But if you have the way to do it and to arrest him or to prosecute him, let's go ahead and do it. And if the president or the government is not doing that, now all the abane ache wako can be na ache na ya. It doesn't mean say yenja wo de ene enkochi obi because ono yebi. It's just like untumi issue about Galamsey na onyo no nkwa na ye. Enyo no nkwa na ye no nti no omo ma ye no wa ye na ache no yenja o ma nkwa na. You want to say that you don't want pursue or more makan agreed. If he doesn't pursue, most crime has no expiring date. Let's pursue the other people. Law is the law. And I like the way he said Emrano and Edina Kosi. And you will be naturally will be searching to their train or be trying to come and our women in Yefra. And he said, who did he say? Kevin Taylor, of which you sa dia brantie TV show e kan ni nsema oka no entwa yi emmoa amemu egu o mapanyin hu fi atitiri bebre wo man mu a waka nsem basa nsem fi afa wo ho and the president or the government of the day has not done anything about it. Yes, we can say it say onkoye but eno does not mean say wo na wakoye na ya choose sia no yenja wo ma onko ana ye me nka ho we if you say obi akakese ama wo dey enjoy government. No, ye ni sa emwa. Se wo ni aso mu a ye bedi wasem ana ye beka wasem said ye mra no tie. So ochi na bi ni ye so obi fufuro mu a it goes ahead. Yes, we can say omapanyi na branche we de ade we de on de waja no ade no on de on ko hwe na chiri kwa na wo yen chiri na yen ni na asem. Yes, we can argue that, but we don't say wo de no nti ne yen hwe ne yen jai sansem no na yen pe kwan kra be fa so a ye be dan e kwan be biu emra ne se obi kowie obi ade a ye chi na ye de ne kokot yen kodi na asem enti se no na eno na ama kronfo to atwa etu ntwae but ukowie ade anu so ukowie e be chew ye chew so e de obekọ court akodi wasem de watum. Therefore you are cautious of what you do. That is why akrono ekoso na dwen koso awia kete because nim say ukoye na problem ba ho a ubedem. And in the same way, there should be laws that will scare people from saying or doing things like that. But I say, person just say, ye crocro no kakra ye she, and one seven no kakra na ye jaina, and I ye defe ye dan say na go to say. I don't support that idea.
Okay, I see.
Anna,